Mountain House just came out with a brand new flavor. My name is Wayne and I'm with Normal Prepping. And today I'm going to go over it with you. The new flavor that they have, I was really excited about because I got an email about a month ago saying they were coming out with something new. And what it is you can see it's a cheesy pepperoni pizza bowl. And it's made with pepperoni, cheese, crust, and savory tomato sauce. And I'm going to go over this and we'll eventually give it a taste. The one thing I noticed is I was looking at the ingredients because I was curious, what they're going to use for a crust. Because when you think of a pizza, you think of a pizza, and crust is so important. It appears that they're using their buttermilk biscuits, which you may have had in like the biscuits and gravy and stuff, that they make in these pouches if you've had Mountain House before. One thing I noticed too is, which I really like, especially for both a prepping point of view and also for backpacking, is it is a high calorie content. For one serving, it's 370 calories, and then for the whole package, which generally that's what you do is eat the whole package, it's 740 calories. So that's a really good meal, especially if you're working hard or if you're under a stressful situation. I don't know if you haven't used these before. The way you make them is you push them down so they'll sit. See, if you notice, they sit on the ground or on the table, and then you tear them open just like that. Throw that away. Then you open it up, and something I always forget, you always want to make sure you take out this little absorber. It says on there, it's encapsulated, so if you accidentally leave it in, it's still okay to eat. Just throw it away after you get a mouthful of it. So that's it. So now we'll look at what it looks like. See, that's inside. It looks like that. And I'll show you, just pull out a little bit here to kind of give you an idea. That's what it's going to look like. It looks pretty good. And, there's a good amount in there. It smells like pizza. It actually does. So now what I'll do is, it says it needs 1 1/3 cup or 11 fluid ounces of water. So, go to my little handy dandy cup, and I got my little teeny tea maker here. That's spilled. That's why. My photographer was thinking and told me to get a napkin, and I guess that's why. So then the way you do this is then you take it and you pour it in here. The way I do it, I pour them in. Then you take your spoon. Then you want to stir it up good. Get the stuff from the bottom really good. It does smell like pizza. I'm looking forward. I've been waiting for this, I tell you, man. I've been totally waiting for this to come out. It's so exciting. And then you close it up. And then you set it aside for 9 minutes. And I'm sure you don't want to sit here and watch this thing do its magic. So I'll be back here in a second and we'll give it a taste. Okay, I'm back, and that was a long 10 minutes. It said 9 minutes, but I found I've been cooking these for years, and I found that it's better to go a little bit longer, so I waited 10 minutes. And as I was smelling it and thinking about it, I thought I'd bring up, in case you're not familiar with Mountain House, these have a shelf life of 30 years. This one's best buy date is February 2055. Can you believe that? So these are great for long-term storage. So now let's break into this bad boy and see how it tastes. Ooh. It smells like a pizza. It does. This smells like a pizza. A pizza with pizza crust right out of the oven. That's exactly how it smells. So I'll just take this out so you can see what it looks like. See, it has the, some more here. Oh, there we go. Leave that in there. And then I didn't quite get enough stirred, because one thing you got to do when you make these is make sure you stir it halfway through. I did that on the middle of it. So look at that. It looks like, see, look at this. So let me give it a taste. Let me try to get a little biscuit in here, because remember, it has a biscuit instead of a, and see how this is. I love Mountain House and I love pizza. I'm so excited about this. Well, I'll be dang. Very good. Very good. This has, looks like somebody's stealing a bite here. This has really good flavor. I'm surprised by the biscuits. The biscuits, unless I didn't cook them long enough, they're still a little firm. It has all the flavor of a really good pizza sauce. The consistency is really nice. I'll try another one just because, you know. Yep, same thing. The pepperoni is perfect. You know, I was concerned about the pepperoni. I thought maybe they'd use some of the other pepperonis that they use in their other meals, but no, this pepperoni has pizza flavor. This is an excellent dinner. I mean, this is really good. I'm very impressed. I'm actually more impressed than I thought I would be. I highly recommend this. They just, like I said, they just came out, so I recommend, man, if you can pick one of these up, do it. You'll be so happy. For any of our new viewers, welcome, and have a great day. Thank you.